Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to download the image from the image URL and preview on the image view. Let's dive into the tutorial. Before that, subscribe my channel for more videos. Here I am going to download the image from the image URL using SD web image. Here I am going to give the URL below on the description. It's nothing but the GitHub URL. Now I am going to follow the SD web image SDK into our project and implement the downloading the image from the image URL and preview on the application. Here I already add the dependency of the Swift package to my project, and also I create the UI for the image downloading. Like you can see it on the right side of the simulator. There is one text field and download button and image view. There is I designed on the storyboard. Likewise, I can be do it from the under, as well as I map the each UI component to the view controller. So here, likewise, I already implemented this for image view as well as a text field as well as the download button tapped action. Likewise, now I am going to create the extension function for the UI image view. Inside of the image view extension function, I am creating the one function to load the image URL using SD web image. Now we can start the implementation using the image view extension and create the function and set it the function name as a load and the load image from the parameters are load image from the image URL string, as well as we can be set the optional of the our placeholder image. So we can set the local image as a string. Likewise, we can mention the each two images. One is for the live server image and another one is the local image. Local image is nothing but I already set the asset. Inside the asset I set it the placeholder image, so I use that placeholder image from here. So I set it the default value for the local image as a placeholder. Now I am going to validate the image URL, live server URL. So the image URL is nothing but a image URL is valid or not. We have to convert into URL. So likewise we can be do it from here. Before that we have to create the local image. So I am setting the placeholder image like UI image and named as local image. So if the image URL was not converted successfully, means we can be written the from here, as well as we can set the image self.image is equal to placeholder image. Likewise, we can return the placeholder image to the image view, or else if the image URL is valid, we can be proceed to the download the image and preview on the image view. So I am calling the SD web image. Before that we have to import the SD web image on the at the top, SD web image, and we can set the SD set image. We can here the number of n number of functions are here to download the image and do it on the what we need. Now I am using the simplified function to do the simple way to achieve our goal. So I am choosing the function for the SD set image. For the URL is nothing but a image URL, and the completion handler here we can get the downloaded image and there is an error as well as a catch type as well as the URL. Here we are going to use only the download image, and we can set it the self.image is equal to downloaded image. Likewise, we can be download the image from the URL using the SD web image. If we use the SD web image, means that will be hold our image by using the URL, that they can catch our image, and when we call the same URL at any other place in our application, the image will be automatically came from our local drive. So we don't need to download each time from the server. So likewise, we can create the simplified function here. Now I am going to call the function like self dot image viewer dot load image, and I am getting the image URL from the text field. So I am setting the text field dot text, and I am validated the string, as well as I am setting the trimming the character with the white space and new lines. Likewise, when after the trimming, the URL will be giving the input to our load image function. Now I am going to run the project. Like we can see it on the our simulator. Like when I tap the download button without giving any URL, I can get the placeholder image from here. When I get the image from the any other URL, like here, I can pasting on here and download. But when we tap the download button, the image will automatically download from the server and save it on our local disk. Likewise, we can download the image from the web URL and download it to the save it to the local disk, and whenever we need the same URL to preview the image, we can get the local disk image and map it to our image view. Likewise, we can use the SD web image inside the application and download the image at once and use whenever we need. Likewise, we can do it the image catching. Use cases is nothing but here when we preview the n number of images from the table view or collection view, we can download the image from the each row or each items. We can download the image from the image URL and preview on the each cells. So we can download we can download at the same time we can download 5-6 images and preview on the particular image view. So we can download the image from the image URL and save it to the local disk and preview the images using this SD web image optimized function. Likewise, we can I am giving the simple example. Likewise, we can use wherever we need. I hope you watch the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.